Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll be exploring the Ellipal crypto hardware wallet, an innovative solution for securing your valuable digital assets. Join me as we delve into the features, benefits, and everything you need to know about how Ellipal keeps your crypto secure. Let's get started. Introduction to Ellipal crypto hardware wallet. First things first, what is Ellipal? Ellipal is a leading crypto hardware wallet that provides the highest level of security for your digital currencies. Its sleek design, user-friendly interface, and robust features make it a top choice among crypto enthusiasts. With Ellipal, you can take full control of your crypto assets while keeping them safe from potential threats. Unveiling the features. Now let's dive into the impressive features that set Ellipal apart from the competition. Air-gapped security. Ellipal utilizes air-gapped technology, which means it operates without an internet connection. This ensures that your private keys and sensitive data are kept offline, away from the reach of hackers or malicious software. Secure chip. The Ellipal wallet incorporates a secure chip that offers advanced encryption and protection against tampering. This means your crypto assets are shielded from physical attacks, ensuring maximum security. Multi-currency support. Ellipal supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and many more. You can manage multiple assets in one secure device, providing convenience and flexibility for your diverse crypto portfolio. Benefits of Ellipal crypto hardware wallet. Now that we know the key features, let's explore the benefits Ellipal brings to the table. Enhanced security. With Ellipal, your crypto assets are stored offline, mitigating the risk of online threats such as hacking, phishing, or malware attacks. This hardware wallet ensures peace of mind by providing the highest level of security for your digital investments. Easy to use. Ellipal's user-friendly interface and intuitive design make it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. You don't need to be a tech guru to navigate the wallet and manage your crypto assets effectively. Portability. Ellipal's compact and lightweight design allows you to carry your crypto wealth wherever you go. Whether you're traveling or simply on the move, Ellipal ensures that your assets are securely stored and accessible at your convenience. Pros/cons. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons of using the Ellipal crypto hardware wallet. Let's discuss the advantages first. Number 1, unparalleled security. Ellipal's air-gapped technology and secure chip provide a robust defense against potential threats. Number 2, wide crypto support. Ellipal supports a vast range of cryptocurrencies, giving you the flexibility to manage multiple assets in one place. Number 3, user-friendly interface. Ellipal's intuitive design makes it easy to navigate and manage your crypto assets, even for beginners. No come to cons. Number 1, price. Ellipal's advanced security features come at a premium. While it's worth the investment, the price may be a factor for some users. Number 2, limited mobile app features. The Ellipal mobile app currently offers basic functionality. Users seeking advanced features might find it lacking compared to other wallets. Conclusion. And there you have it. Ellipal crypto hardware wallet offers unmatched security, convenience, and flexibility for safeguarding your valuable crypto assets. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your crypto journey, Ellipal is a reliable and trusted solution to protect your digital wealth. That wraps up today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more crypto-related content, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing and stay secure with Ellipal.